I'm attorney Nick Alcock. I'd like to talk a little bit about why we don't charge extra for trial for a DUI case. And there are really the three reasons why we don't do this. Number one is that I believe in giving my clients a certain amount of certainty. So if you come to my office, we're not going to say it's going to be X or it's going to be Y, or it could be, this amount, or it could be quite a bit more. If you come to me and you're facing a DUI case, you need to have some certainty. You need to know, well, what can I plan for? What can I expect? What am I looking at? And so there are many times when people just want to have an idea as to, well, how much is it going to be? I can provide that certainty. I can tell you, this is how much it's going to be. It's never going to be more. You're not going to get a second bill from us. You won't get basically punished for going to trial. And that's the second reason, is that I really want you to make the decision as to whether or not you want to go to trial based off of your case and not your pocketbook. So if you don't have the money to go to trial, if you can't afford a trial fee, but you have a very triable case, well, that's a situation where we're going to go to trial and we're not going to charge you any extra money for it. We're going to take your case to trial and try to win it. And so I never want to punish somebody for not having essentially the resources to go to trial. And then finally, there are some firms out there that charge money for trial and trial fees, and that's their right. But if a client can't come up with the money, then those firms have the option to withdraw from representation, and basically puts the client in a position where they paid quite a bit of money for their DUI case. The lawyer has genuinely worked for a number of months and has the ability to justify the hours worked. But because they can't come up with the extra money for trial, they then withdraw from representation, and the client is in limbo. The client's sort of back to square one. And I never ever want to put a client in that position where we are withdrawing because they can't afford an additional bill, some unexpected amount, or even an expected amount, but now it's a little bit like they're starting all over again. So if you are interested in learning more about my firm, learning more about what we can do for you with the DUI case, and learn about what exactly we charge for DUIs, it is one flat fee. It doesn't change and encompasses everything. And we'd be happy to tell you basically what we can do for you. 602-989-5000 is our number, 602-989-5000. You can speak with a DUI attorney right over the phone, and we can do a consultation either in the office or over the phone at your leisure. Thanks so much.